Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
If you're using an OBDI scanner and it's displaying a P2238 code, here's what you need to know about its possible causes and common symptoms so you can troubleshoot it as soon as possible. What does the P2238 code mean? Code P2238 is defined as O2 sensor in the positive current control circuit of Bank 1 Sensor 1. The powertrain control module, PCM, may set this code if the voltage signal output from your oxygen sensors is too low. The PCM uses oxygen sensors to monitor and regulate the air-fuel mixture. Oxygen sensors check the amount of oxygen remaining in the exhaust gases. This enables the PCM to determine whether the engine is operating with a lean or rich air-fuel ratio. Changes in oxygen levels lead to changes in sensor output voltage. Oxygen sensor voltage signal outputs are lower when there is more oxygen in the exhaust, and higher when there is less oxygen. Your car's PCM sets code P2238 if the voltage signal output from your oxygen sensors is too low. If the PCM detects that the voltage is too low and does not fall within its programmed operating range, a P2238 code will be stored, and the check engine light will illuminate. Note, the P2238 code may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Consult the appropriate repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of code P2238? The P2238 code has several possible causes, including the following: a faulty oxygen sensor, problems with wiring or connectors faulty, PCM or PCM programming error. What are the possible symptoms of the P2238 code? Here are some of the most common symptoms of the P2238 code: a reduced energy efficiency, reduced engine performance, engine misfires, and runs rough OBDI codes for lean to rich exhaust mixture. Check engine light. How to diagnose the P2238 code. It's difficult to diagnose the underlying problem behind a P2238 code. Testing the oxygen sensor, wiring, or PCM requires specialized equipment and knowledge. What's more, access to these components can be difficult for an inexperienced person. If you wish to correctly diagnose the problem that triggers this code, you should consult a trusted automotive professional. How to repair the P2238 code. There's usually no single panacea for the problems that trigger an OBDI code, as these problems have many possible causes. To determine the right course of action, you must first obtain an accurate diagnosis. Once you've identified what's triggering the P2238 code, you can consult credible online repair resources and how-to guides for possible solutions. When it comes to troubleshooting and repairing diagnostic codes, you should always consult your vehicle's repair manual. Chilton repair manuals can also be useful. However, all data subscriptions are even better, as they provide detailed factory repair information for drivers who wish to carry out repairs themselves. If you don't have much experience in diagnosing or resolving fault codes, it's best to consult a professional mechanic to avoid problems and more costly repairs. In conclusion, understanding fault code P2238 is essential for diagnosing issues related to the low oxygen sensor positive current control circuit in row 1, sensor 1. This code can indicate problems with the sensor itself, wiring, or the engine control module. Addressing this issue promptly can help maintain optimal engine performance and fuel efficiency. If you encounter this fault code, it's advisable to conduct a thorough inspection and consider professional assistance if needed. Thank you for watching, and we hope this information helps you in your automotive journey.